Hi there and welcome back to Gray's Garden, and this is my gardening and allotment channel. So today is a day I've been looking forward to for quite a while for more ways than one. This is where we put the beds to sleep over the winter months. I'm just doing a last little bit of weeding at the moment, getting these last weeds out, digging out what I can, just clearing them a bit, and then I'm going to be covering them with a layer of cardboard or a couple of layers of cardboard, put some leaves on top, weigh them all down, and then they'll be well protected over the winter. It mainly is we do this to suppress the sunlight getting through, so it keeps those weeds at bay. Plus also, as it rains, with the elements over the winter, that cardboard, those leaves, they break down, they go back into the soil, and it really does rejuvenate these beds ready for the growing season next year. So final little bit of weeding needed first, but there's also a few things in this bed that I just want to show you. Okay, here is the last, or my only, pumpkin of the year. It's all dead now. Here is the pumpkin. Very small, really didn't start to form right until the very end of summer. So sadly, it was not a good year for me and the pumpkins. But just coming over to this bed, this was more of a success. These were my beetroot and I've got 4 left. So I'm going to be taking them out. As you see there, nice looking beetroots. They just come out nice and easily. There we go. 4 of them left, so clear them, clear the rest of these weeds. The other main reason I've been looking forward to covering these beds up with the cardboard is because my shed is an absolute tip. I can barely get in it, and that's mainly because of all this cardboard and the bubble wrap. So it's going to give me a great... Oh, a bird. Oh, hello, Mr. Bird. Oh, I better leave you be. Oh, Mr. Robin's in here. Oh, give me a fright there. Okay, so I might find a nest when I'm clearing this out. So I've got to be a little bit careful. But all this cardboard, this will be coming out. This will now help to cover the beds up and also clean my shed out. You can probably see over here we've got a greenhouse. This will be going up over the winter. And if I've got time today, I'm going to start tidying the messy jungle area, because this is where the greenhouse is going to go. I'm going to make a new double one because this area really does get abandoned. That tree's got to come out. And while we're here, let's have a little look at the bananas. They're still managing to grow. I can't imagine they're going to keep going for much longer. Here's the big banana flower. It's all pretty sturdy still. But winter is here. The frosts will be coming in the next few weeks. So I can't imagine this is going to do much more. But for now, I'll just keep watching it and seeing exactly what happens. I think this tree, this banana plant, I think is going to die. But it's been now replaced with a pup next to it. As you can see, it sends a new one out from the bottom. And there's the one behind it. The great Musa Baju. These sprouts were completely ravaged by the caterpillars earlier, in the summer. They just now got these tops. I don't know what to do with them. What do I do? I might actually cut one off and take it home and give it to my rabbit. In fact, I think I'll do that. Let's grab one that doesn't seem to have anything going on it. So this one though, can just hopefully make this out here. I think they're little baby sprouts starting off, those little nodules. So I'm going to leave that one in, but some of the smaller ones I think I'll take out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this off. And I'm going to take that home and feed it to my rabbit. Hello, matey. You want to try that? Oh, that's nice. What? Sprouts. Okay, that's the majority of the weeds out. I've decided I'm just going to leave Mr. Pumpkin on the bed. I'm going to cover him up and he can decompose back into the soil. There will be some goodness in that plant, so that can go back in. No point in me just throwing it away. That's all nice and clear as well. no doubt the birds will be down to get those worms as soon as I turn my back on it. But now it's time to start putting the cardboard on. Okay, so pretty easy to do. You just get your cardboard, nice big sheets of it, and we're just gonna position that all over the bed. You can lay it up as many times as you want. The more you put on, the more light you'll manage to suppress, and the less weeds you'll have grown underneath it. So I'm just gonna do all that now, get all that cardboard out the shed and layer these up. Okay, so nice quick job done. The bed's all covered with the cardboard. Now I do try to overlap my cardboard just over the edges, because if you leave any parts exposed to sunlight or daylight, that'll be where the weeds try and get through. So just leave it, just try and overlap it as much as you can so no light can get through. Now I do have these heavier wooden boards. I'm going to chuck them on just to help keep it all held down. This nice big heavy board can just go on the top, and that will help the cardboard from, or stop the cardboard from blowing away. But that's as simple as it is. Got some bricks here as well. And put the bricks all around it. That keeps it all down, and that's the beds put to sleep for the winter. Right, just a quick video today, just showing you how I put my beds to sleep over the winter. This will protect them now, making sure that the weeds stay suppressed and don't get out of control, making it easier for me next spring to start planting into. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you really enjoyed it, please put the thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye now.